Hey folks, welcome to the Rockwood Mountain Gardener. Today we're gonna take and have a little I call it a picture video. It's not really a full-length video, but it's got some pictures of my garden, pictures of things I'm doing. But anyway, hope you enjoy it. Sit back and enjoy it, and if you like it, give me a like button. If you got comments, give me some comments. Anyway, here we go. Hello folks, welcome to the Rockwood Mountain Gardener. Today is February the 7th, 2021. We're going to be talking about my winter sow update and how to make homemade labels for your garden and also for your seed starting. Right now you're looking at my winter sow. We've got a snow today, and you can see that there's snow all over the bottles, which that don't hurt a thing. Matter of fact, that's the reason they call it the winter sow system. Here's some more. I've got probably 50 bottles out now of different seeds started. I think I'm going to like this. I've took one bottle of cabbage plants and put them on a heat mat, and matter of fact, right there is my heat tub that you see. When I want seedlings started a little bit early, I bring them in from the outside, put them in this tub. In the bottom of the tub you got a heat mat with some sand in the bottom of it. Now a piece of plastic over the top of it. Here in a few minutes you'll see the plastic off of it, but you'll see what I've got going on there. I've got trying to get these to, I got onions and cabbage and broccoli seeds that I'm trying to get started a little bit early, which seems to work pretty good. I'm putting a little bit more effort into it this year than I have in years past. Right there is where I've transplanted some cabbage seedlings just about a couple of days ago, and they're doing pretty good. I think I got 40 something cabbage plants that I've transplanted, or actually repotted, that you call it. Right here is a one of the bottles, and I mark it. You can barely see it on the right there, but on the got a number 67, I think. But I use a white mark pen. Magic markers seems to fade out, but these seems to work pretty good. Now here is where I'm putting a label inside the bottle. I put the ID number, I put the date. Here in a few minutes I'll flip it over and you can see like today I sowed some pepper seeds. I also put it down in my journal, in my little book. These books, I get them at the bank. They're free and they make real good logs. But on one side of the label I put the ID number and the date. On the back side I put what it is and the seed pack number. Now right here you see a wood stake. It's about 8 inches long. It's about a 1/4 inch thick. And I make these. They work real well in the garden. I take a magic marker, a permanent marker, and write on them. They work real well. Now right here you see the labels. These are cut from plastic blinds that people throw away. You can find them at the dump mart, and sometimes people just throw them away. But anyway, I cut them into about 8-inch lengths. Number A is, I used to use these in the garden. But anyway, what you can do is you can take and number A is, you can actually use them for garden stakes, but I quit using that because they faded out before the season was over. Number B is where I took and cut it down to 2-inch lengths, and then C is I split that up through the middle, and the ones that's marked C is the ones that I use for my labeling my seedlings and my seed starting trays, and it works real well. And you know, it's a reusable item that somebody has thrown away, and I've got it and making reuse of it. So anyway, this is just a short video. Thanks for watching the Rockwood Mountain Gardener. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe, and happy gardening.